Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can like shorts on YouTube. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube app in your device. Then tap on shorts icon. Then find the shorts which you want to like. Then tap on the screen. So, this is how you can like our shorts on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.